Hey y'all, I'm going to make a quick video about the concealer in the new liquid to powder foundation. I've been having it a couple of days, so I've been playing with it, so hopefully I do pretty good in this video. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this concealer that's actually the same color as my foundation to cover up this little blemish right here. And it's really thick and you just need a tiny little amount, and a little bit goes a long way. And to cover up my blemish, I'm going to use a Q-tip because I don't want to contaminate my concealer brush that I'll be using. You can just see it just goes away. Alright, and then I'm going to show you how I use a lighter color to cover up under my eyes. I don't really have dark circles. Mine are kind of purple, almost like you can see my veins and stuff under my eyes. And once again, I'm going to put a little bitty bit on my hand, and this time I'm going to use my concealer brush. And I mean, I'm barely putting any on there. And with under your eyes, you can see, I mean, it just spreads. Now I do have primer and moisturizer on underneath. Under your eyes, you want to make like a triangle because you want to add a highlighted area. You do not want to just put it right under here because that'll draw attention to that area. You're kind of wanting to mask that area. But you can tell with just this how much brighter my eyes looked. Should have just did one side, but that's okay. And you can take a blending bud and just kind of push it in. You're trying to push the product into your skin, not really rubbing it off. So you can tell with just that how much brighter my eyes got. Now that my concealer's all done, I want to show you the new liquid foundation. It's actually liquid, but it kind of goes to a powder, which is strange. I had not used liquid foundation in many years, but it's a glass bottle and it has a glass dropper. And I'm going to put a little bit on my hand because you don't want to put the dropper directly onto your face and then put your contaminants from your face into the dropper. So it's on my hand, and I'm just going to put a little bit on the brush and put it on my face. And your brush is going to stay clean. It's kind of weird. I know it's liquid. You're like, it's liquid and you're using a powder puff brush, but it dries to a powder, so it really gives you that matte finish. So I did one side of my face. You can kind of tell it got rid of the redness and just evened out my skin tone. And my brush is good. I have put it on with a sponge a couple of times this week, but because my skin is really dry, it does better for me with a brush, but you can try it both ways. So if you have any questions or you need help matching your skin, let me know. Thank you for watching.